Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear wiper on Dodge Journey Easy Guide. Start by gathering your replacement blade and simple tools, then open the rear hatch and support it. Inspect the wiper arm pivot and clean around the base to remove dirt and debris. Wearing gloves, lift the arm gently and locate the release tab. Keep movement steady to avoid scratching the glass while you prepare to remove the old blade. Begin by lifting the wiper arm away from the glass carefully and supporting it to avoid snapping back. Press the release tab on the blade connection while sliding the blade down the hook. You should feel it disengage cleanly. If it binds, wiggle slightly while maintaining pressure on the tab. Once free, set the old blade aside and inspect the arm for rust or damage that could affect the new blade installation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh cabin sent after a messy job. It pairs well with a clean interior and a job well done. I've placed the product link and some other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Take the new blade and align its adapter with the wiper arm hook, ensuring the orientation matches the original. Slide the adapter into place until you hear a secure click, then lower the arm gently back onto the glass to avoid a sudden snap. Manually move the blade to confirm it seats cleanly, then operate the rear washer and wiper to check sweep and alignment. Make any minor adjustments if the sweep misses edges or streaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.